infinite Facebook subscribers and followers for free. This particular video can be the most important video in your Facebook marketing career / online marketing career so far. Because I'm going to be sharing so much value in this video that this video can bring a complete shift in the way you do your marketing. Now, this video is about having infinite Facebook subscribers and followers for free. And the best part is, this doesn't cost you a dime on Facebook. You can do this for free of cost. So, let's get started. Have you ever seen people with thousands of subscribers on Facebook? When you go to their Facebook profile, you'll see thousands of followers. And often you wonder how to get thousands of people to subscribe to you on Facebook, because you might not be someone who has an authority or who has big product launches where everyone adores you. We do not need to have all those things, but you can have that massive number of subscribers and followers for free just by following this video. Well, it's actually easier than you think. Now, the first thing that you need to ask yourself is why it is so important to have subscribers and followers inside your Facebook account, and why every big marketer out there has so many followers. What is the advantage? Because it is free advertising. When we subscribe to you, your post shows in the news feed organically, and you don't pay a dime for this. When someone subscribed to you on Facebook, your posts, pictures, or any type of updates show at the top of their news feed, so it's there in front of their eyes when they log in on Facebook. In turn, you get bigger reach and more exposure. Also, a subscriber on Facebook is similar to an email opt-in. They're like your email subscribers. You'll send them an email, and once they log inside their Gmail or their Yahoo Mail, they can see your email and they can peek or read whatever you have sent them. Similarly, a Facebook subscriber can also see your updates once they log in. The difference between an email and Facebook is that Facebook is a type of social media. So when they receive an email from you, they are already thinking it might be some kind of opportunity or an affiliate offer. While on Facebook, when you have an update, they think that it is some kind of new and interesting information. People read the updates and information or check the photo if there is. It happens naturally since a lot of people are hooked to social medias, especially Facebook nowadays. So I guess you can already get what I'm trying to derive. Now, imagine how much it will cost you to get 1,000 email subscribers. Probably $1,000, if not more. But you can get 1,000 subscribers on Facebook for free. How cool is that? Now, how do you do that? How can we get thousands of subscribers in our Facebook accounts? I will give you the tricks for that. Trick number 1. Tell people to subscribe to your news feed. Very simple. Tell people to subscribe to you immediately after they've accepted your friend request, or vice versa. When you send somebody a request, or somebody sends friend request, you can use this particular screenshot, which I've also given in the PDF report. You have to tell them to go to your account, go to the friend button, and just click on the Get Notifications button. But usually that is already automatic once you are friends. So they can just click on the following button and change it to See First, so they can see your posts at the top of the news feed every time you have an update or post. Trick number 2. Max out 5,000 friends. After you max out 5,000 friends, Facebook automatically converts people into followers. How cool is that? Trick number 3. Ask people to subscribe inside your email broadcasts. In case you have an email list and you send a broadcast or follow-ups, just insert a link over there so that they can subscribe to your Facebook account directly. Because they have subscribed to you in the email, chances are they like to get updates from Facebook too. Trick number 4. Subscribe through blog and website. If you have a blog or a website, you can directly upload a subscribe button there. So if they visit that page, they can directly click it and subscribe to you on Facebook. To know more about that, I put the link on the PDF file, so just get it and you can get started. It's very easy. And lastly, I'd like to show you something on Facebook to get you started with your followers. So, We're here on my Facebook account right now. First, you have to click on the upper rightmost button, which looks like an arrow pointing down. When you're there, click on Help. After clicking that, type in Desktop Help in the box provided. You can see some guide questions which are related with what you've typed. So let's just click on See More for Desktop Help. You're going to be led to this page. The next step is to click Connecting and Follow after that. On this page, you can see the basic things like the meaning of follow on Facebook. You can also see how to get started, how to follow public updates, and how to manage your followers. You just click on the basic questions there to read the answers. So, I believe that you have learned a lot of tricks to increase your subscribers and followers on Facebook for free. I also hope that you understood the effectiveness of having a big number of followers. These techniques are absolutely awesome, so apply them all to put your business to the next level. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.